Oh, it didn't record. You're cold. Gonna be fishing at Bennett. Look at all the snow. Not like it rained yesterday. What a beautiful river today. Look how pretty that is. And here comes my beautiful wife all bundled up. She's ready to get going. We're gonna work this water upstream. What a great day. I love the water when it's a little chalky like this. I'm gonna Euro nymph upstream on this. Work up this little seam right there. Yeah, pretty excited. Hope everybody is having a great new year as well. First fish at Bennett today, really pretty rainbow. He took off right out from this hard run I'm working across. Took off down here, I worked him up this edge. Beautiful fish. So awesome. So pretty. All right, back at it. Okay, I'm hoping this is a little more instructional help. I've been working up this edge water. My wife's following up. I went out a little bit to start systematically covering this, but the edges we're going to cover first. And then as I worked up here, right in this little shallow riff, way faster water than you think right out here, I picked up this little beauty. And it is a really subtle, soft take today. I've actually rolled 2 fish that I did not land because it was so subtle. So we'll get a release on this guy and then back at it. Fish on. He's a little one. He's a little one. Get his head up. Amanda's super excited. She's picked up 2 fish where I just worked through. Good thing I tied the fly. Oh, good job, honey.
He's pretty and orange.
That's awesome. Hold him up for me. You've caught 2 in there.
Very big for today.
Very pretty.
He's even off. Gotta love barbless.
What was he on?
I don't even know. He flipped off before I could look.
That's why we love those barbless flies. Gotta love that JF4.
I think he was on the bottom.
Good job, honey. She's had 2 smallmouth today. She's had a bunch of good fish. That's the way it is. Amanda's having a really good day. She's just picked up 2 or 3 in a row right here. She's really doing better on her drift today with the mono Euro rig. She does have a master tire at her disposal. Must be nice. What a gorgeous day. It's really warming up and feels really great out here. So everybody probably knows this spot, and I'm running a deep dredge with an anchor on my Euro, and I picked up 4 fish in a row. This is the 5th. This one's really nice, so I thought I'd show you. I'm gonna stop the camera and then I'll get a pic of it from the side. Really nice trout, pretty amazing. Bennett's so fun. Got it on a perdigon. Very next cast, got a good drift through, picked up another one, nice purple pink fish. so awesome. Right up there. And another. Next cast right below the dam here. Amanda's working over there. Dredging the spillway and turned up this beauty. Amanda's over there nailing them now. She's got one. Good job. Amanda's got another. Sitting there trying to lead through my run, and she's fish on over there. All right, this fish was on a top little foam emerger. It was the third fly above my beaded dropper rig on my Euro. Pretty excited about it. That's the first one that way. All right, we've got doubles. We've got Sadler down here, he's on one. Amanda's on one back here. She's doing awesome. She's had 3. She's killing it back there. Eddie and I got to catch up. We have to get on record here. Amanda just outfished all us guys this afternoon. How many did you have? 5, 6, 7?
Oh, I don't know. I don't count.
I don't know. Even hit more than Darren and I. Can you believe it? She's so happy she doesn't even know what to think. It's a rare day. Every dog has its day, right?
Hey, you just call me dog.
No, you're no dog. What a great day.